Hola mga ka-travel! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kelly, and now living here in Spain. Kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment below. Time checks is 6:30 in the morning. Nandito ako sa airport and waiting for my flight. Medyo maaga pa pero sobrang excited na ako sa trip na ito. Habang naghihintay, chinecheck ko na rin ang itinerary ko for the next 2 days para masulit natin ang ating Mallorca adventure. I'm traveling to Palma de Mallorca for 3 days at ang Mallorca ay kilala sa mga magagandang beach as crystal clear na tubig, white sand at island adventure. Isa ito sa mga top beach destination sa Spain na dinarayo ng maraming tourist mula sa iba't ibang bansa. Tara na at lipad tayo papuntang Palma de Mallorca. After a smooth flight, finally nakarating na tayo sa airport. Ngayon sasakay na tayo ng taxi papunta sa hotel natin. Habang nasa daan, makikita na agad natin ang ganda ng city at ang the biggest cathedral of Santa Maria ng Palma. Yung architecture sobrang ganda at ang syempre relax ang island vibes na talaga namang nakaka-excite. Finally, nakarating na tayo dito sa hotel. Unang tingin pa lang, ang ganda na agad ng vibe ng hotel. Ang lobby looks elegant and welcoming, perfect after a long day of travel. Ngayon, mag-check-in muna tayo at pagkatapos, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo ang room at ang buong experience sa Hotel Saratoga. By the way guys, one more thing, may swimming pool dito sa hotel. So later or tomorrow, definitely babalikan natin yan para mag-swim or mag-chill lang sa area na to. Alright mga ka-travel, let's go for a quick room tour. By the way, Hotel Saratoga is a 4-star hotel at sobrang linis at comfy ng bed at worth it talaga yung bayad dito. May pa-turgas pa sila. Nice. On TV. Some drinks here. So some drinks. Fast forward, good morning for my second day in Mallorca. Let's enjoy the view of my terrace with my green tea. And yes, mahilig ako sa green tea than coffee. So alright, drink muna tayo and then we'll get ready for today's plan. At for today's videos, I will explain to you kung ano pong meron sa bag ko every time I travel. So let's take out the first thing I have is my passport. This is one of the most important. And when I have a long travel, I need headphones, of course. And also, dito sa Spain, may time na malamig. So, I need hand cream. I need my sunglasses. And also, this one, the power bank for my phone. And also, some makeup kit when I bring my stuff when I travel. It's easy to carry, and also my mini pocket GoPro. Of course, light pack lang para comfortable habang naglalakad. Let's go out and find a good spot. Maybe it's somewhere nice and just enjoy the city's vibe. Dito sa sa Spain, mas gusto kong mag-walking habang nag-i-explore kasi mas nai-enjoy ko yung paligid, lalo na yung progressive cities part of Spain. Ang ganda rin ng sistema nila dito, yung transportation super comfortable and very convenient. Madali lang mag-commute and everything feels organized. So kahit naglalakad lang ako most of the time, hindi stressful kasi alam mong accessible yung buses, trains, and other transportation option anytime. So overall, ang sarap mag-explore dito sa Spain. Ka-travel, on the way ako ngayon papunta sa sikat na simbahan ng Santa Maria Cathedral, also known as La Sio, dito sa Palma. Super excited kasi this is one of the most iconic landmark dito sa Palma. And honestly, isa siya sa pinakamagandang cathedral aside of Sagrada Familia in Barcelona. One thing interesting of this cathedral is also designed partially by Antoni Gaudi, kaya may unique modern elements inside kahit medieval pa yung structure. Unlike other churches na usually nasa city centers lang, this one is literally overlooking the Mediterranean Sea, and super rare combo of nature plus architecture. Plus yung stained glass windows niya is one of the biggest rose windows in the world. So pag sumikat yung araw, buong loob parang rainbow light show. 'Di ba? Ang galing. For your information, sino nga ba si Antoni Gaudi? Well, si Antoni Gaudi is isang super sikat na architect dito sa Spain, nakilala bilang unique and artistic building. Siya lang naman yung gumagawa ng design ng Sagrada Familia at many of his work are now UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sometimes I look back on my previous travels and I never really expected na makikita ko ulit itong church na to. I've been traveling a lot, pero yung timing talaga feels always right. Parang binabalik ako dito at the perfect moment para makita siya again. Grabe, minsan you just realize everything's happen at the right time. Thank you, Lord. Grabe no, yung sinabihan ako dati na hindi makaka-travel kasi mangingisda lang yung papa ko at yung parents ko can't afford mag-travel abroad. Well, ngayon, nalibot ko na buong Spain. Sobrang grateful ako kasi hindi ko inakala na Spain will offer me a stable job at the same time. The healthcare system is free and Spain is very progressive country. Of course, very possible din siya for people who want to migrate basta kompleto lang yung documents at requirements. Nakaka-amaze lang isipin na from dreams naging reality and I'm just thankful every step of the journey. So guys, we're also gonna pass by the port of Palma. The port is actually one of the main gateways of the island, kaya sobrang busy dito, especially with the tourists coming in from different countries. Ang ganda rin kasi ng view at modern marina and city vibes. Right now, I'm gonna visit some shop kasi I'm collecting souvenir magnet from every places that I visit. At ang daming small shop dito near the port, perfect for magnet, postcard, and little souvenirs. Mga ka-travel, usually postcard dito sa Mallorca is around 1 to 2 euros lang, depende sa design. Yung mas fancy or tourist shop, medyo mas mahal, pero still super affordable and perfect for souvenirs. Hi mga ka-travel, nandito ako ngayon sa Placa de Court. Dito makikita yung famous oldest olive tree in Palma. Sobrang iconic niya kasi nasa gitna ng old town. Tapos surrounded pa ng historic buildings. So if ever you're gonna travel in Palma, don't forget to put this in your bucket list. For now, maghahanap muna tayo ng cold drinks or ice cream kasi medyo mainit na while exploring the cities. So, eto na nga, we are in the Artelo ice cream. Maraming tao dito. So, I guess, masarap yung gelato Italian ice cream nila. Kasi, kita nyo naman, with perfect presentation pa si Kuya while serving the ice cream. Grabe na talaga to. Nag-request din ako ng extra chocolate toppings para mas appealing sa paningin ko. Alam niyo na, pangpasarap ang pambawi ng init ng araw. Mas satisfying lang tingnan at kainin kapag may extra chocolate drizzle. So go lang tayo sa treat mood habang mag-relax dito sa Palma. Todo na to. Sa totoo lang, habang naglalakad ako, nag-craving ako bigla ng carbonara, beef steak, and fish. Parang after all this walking, deserve natin ng proper meal later. Something heavy and satisfying. Kasama ko din si Manuel for today. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam kung sino si Manuel, well, saya lang naman yung sweet boyfie ko. Yung kasama ko sa mga travels, ang lagi kong ka-vibe sa mga ganap. Kaya shout out sa kanya. Alright guys, shopping time naman tayo. Let's go and explore the city of Palma and tignan natin baka makahanap tayo ng something nice, especially like Zara and other fashion store. Tignan natin kung anong mabubudol ko for today, pero guys, target natin is flat shoes. Parang feel ko ngayon, time for a little upgrade. Something bago at cute while andito pa tayo sa Palma. At also, tingin-tingin tayo, baka may magustuhan tayong pabango. Well, add to cart muna to. For today's evening plan, pupunta kami sa City Commercial Area dito sa Placa Mayor. Excited din kami mag-walk around sa city center at night kasi ibang vibe siya at super lively yung atmosphere. Kasama ko si Manuel and honestly pareho-pareho kaming nag-crave ngayon ng ramen at samgyupsal. After a long day of walking and shopping, exploring, ito talaga yung reward meal namin. Buga Ramen. Okay guys, let's go inside na and eating time! Time to taste the ramen, samgyupsal, and all the side dishes. Sobrang daming food ang na-order namin for today. Perfect talaga to after a long day at worth it lahat ng pagod sa paglalakad. Mga ka-travel, hanggang round 2 na yung order namin. Sobrang daming food, diba? Hindi namin in-expect na ganito kadami yung servings nila, pero okay lang. Food trip is real talaga for tonight. Swiss Jowa naman, siyang nakafocus sa pag-grill habang ako naman busy na agad kumain. Teamwork talaga. Siya yung chef, ako yung taster. So worth it talaga pag may partner na may effort, especially sa mga ganitong moment. Simple lang pero ang saya, 'di ba? So kayo naman guys, hanap na kayo ng baby love, charot. So, that's for tonight and we're going back to our hotel. Syempre, malapit lang yung hotel namin at we decided to walk around since we are very full after the samgyupsal. And of course, we will also think about what plan for tomorrow. Back again mga ka-travel, this is day 3 in Palma and we're now at the Cappuccino restaurant having breakfast. This morning, I had a fresh smoothie and bread with olive. So today, i-enjoy ko muna yung breakfast bago tayo magala and here I am.
Yummy!
On the way tayo sa port, gala ako doon. Habang mag-isa ngayon. Today, we're visiting the Esbalward Museo de Art in Palma. The building itself is super impressive, sitting right above the old city walls, and inside there's a lot of modern art and contemporary art. After that, we walk around the nearby area where there's a beautiful fountain and a really lively atmosphere. There are street performers and entertainers everywhere. Musicians and people doing little show that make the whole place feel alive and fun. Also spending the morning walking around the street in Placa Mayor. It is one of the spots where you can just sit, relax, and enjoy the energy of Palma while everything is happening around. So this is the end of my vlog for today. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. It really helps the channels. Thanks for watching.